Come back next Tuesday, a week on Tuesday.
Right.
On the 19th. On the 18th. I mean, I'm going on Monday to Annan.
Right.
And then a week on Monday, we're all going to Annan.
Right, okay.
So we can discuss it more fully, so.
Okay.
Good
Yeah,
idea,
sure.
an idea.
Okay, yeah, sure. Take as many bits as you need.
Yeah.
Would you like a tea, coffee?
No, and we're fine. We're just gonna crack on really, you know. So.
Yeah.
Because he's got to put somebody on the plane at Heathrow later this afternoon. Right early evening. So
Right.
he's anxious to get away. Hey, right. Just a quick. This is a refrigerated store.
Yes, yes.
Right, I'm going to stand here while you get some photography done, okay? No, but there's some quite nice bits of kit in here.
Yeah, it's obviously a lot of money's been spent.
A lot of money, yeah. And everywhere you've got these vacuum pots underneath, obviously, the vacuum.
Yeah. So we've got
Oh, you've got some public
technology that is exclusive to us.
Right. Well, that's interesting, yeah.
And some of it was developed with various other companies as well, so yeah, it's a lot of sort of knowledge and research has been developed here, and then scaled up to the likes of A1 and A2
Yeah. Combination do you think, Mark, modern?
I'll have a look in a minute for you.
this steam raising plant used for the product? Was it used for superheated steam for the product, or was it really used to produce heat and high or
I honestly don't know, I'm afraid. We did have steam when it's plant that's
There's a lot of pipe work here, isn't there?
yeah, as I say, that where that storage area is now, that used to be one of our plants. Yeah, that's some of this as well.
Where have you got this mixer in relation to the drill? Close to it.
It's actually a hydrogenation unit.
After that, okay. We're doing around with this now, I'm going to torch up all.
Right.
And we'll look at this way. We can. There's just a little thread, there's a drill in the corner, we're missing a mixer, but it might be in there and I can't see it. Look, I'm going to bring a big torch to have a good look at this stuff. I'll come down. But I think he'll go rolling up, ripping up that mixer, they wouldn't have done it without finding it.
No, they did say it, I was with them when they showed them around and they did find it.
Right, then we